Hi everyone, this is Heidi with WTI. These Fengbay 2-pack high-waist yoga pants are just so comfortable and flexible. The pockets are my favorite feature. There's even a pocket along the waist for small items like keys or cash. I am a size 12 and the large fits me so nicely, and I'm 5'10". The colors are a classic black and a gray, so they're very neutral. They're easy to match with my other tops, and the material is just such a nice, substantial quality, so they're not going to be see-through. They move nicely with the body and have excellent stretch. And they have what's called a flat lock seaming, and that makes them very comfortable as well. This Fengbay 2-pack high-waist yoga pant set matches function and comfort, and it makes them a staple in my workout wardrobe. And that's my point of view.